So hello everyone, I'm going to show you how you can join a Google Classroom. So first thing that you have to make sure is your Gmail account is signed in your Google Chrome browser. So as you can see, I'm using here my Gmail account. So I'm going to pretend that I'm a student. So since I'm signed in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this Google Apps menu here, and I'm going to look for Classroom. Okay. So once you click Classroom, okay, you will have your Google Classroom account. And in order for you to join a classroom, all you need to do is click this plus sign here, and then you choose join class, not create class, you join class. And then you need to type here or paste here the class code which will be given by your subject teacher or your class teacher. So example, let's say for example, the class code here is this one. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. I'll go back here. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to paste here the code and I'm going to click join. So once you click join, it will be processed and then you will now be joining the Google Classroom created by your teacher. So as this is actually the viewing of a student. Okay, so you can see the stream. This is the part where you can post. Okay, this is what the part of the Google Classroom where you can see the work. Okay, that will be posted or uploaded by your class teacher. And of course, for the people, this is the part of the Google Classroom where you can see the people who's in the Google Classroom. So at this moment, only my teacher, Ma'am Baran Soriano, is in this Google Classroom. Now, for the viewing of your teacher, so I'm just going to switch. Okay, here is actually the viewing of your subject teacher or your class teacher. So for people, now your teacher can see that uh, you are already part or you already joined the Google Classroom. The other way for your teacher to add you in the class would be using your Gmail account. So just in case the class code is not working at all, your teacher can click this one, invite students, and she can type your email. So just in case, for example, you want to, I'm going to add, let's say, for example, Ronilyn Benitez as my student here. So I'm going to click that and I'm going to click invite, and an email or an invite will be sent to her email. Okay, for that. Or another way is if I'm going to click this again, I have here the invite link, so I can also do that, and I can give this also to my students that I want to invite. Okay, so again, there are many ways on how you can be added to a Google Classroom. But as a student, if you want to add yourself on your own, all you need is the class code. Again, the class code will be given by your class teacher. So let me show you again. So let's just have a recap on how you can join. So you just click plus and then click join class. You just type the class code, okay, that will be given by your subject teacher or your class teacher, and then you just click join. Okay, so that's how easy it is in joining a Google Classroom or Google Class.